Small bathrooms don't actually have to feel small. More often than not, it's not the square footage that's the problem, it's the layout. With a few thoughtful planning decisions, you can create smoother transitions, longer sight lines, and that calm, open feeling we all want from a well-designed bathroom. Today, I'm sharing 6 smart layout tricks that can make even a compact bathroom feel noticeably larger, visually and emotionally. No walls to tear down, just elegant, practical design choices that truly work. 1. Create a threshold-free shower. A curbless, threshold-free shower instantly removes visual interruptions. When the flooring flows seamlessly from the entrance all the way into the shower, the bathroom reads as one continuous space, not separate zones competing for attention. 2. Place the toilet strategically whenever possible. Avoid placing the toilet directly in front of the door. Positioning it along a sidewall allows the eye to land on the vanity or a beautiful design element instead, creating a more open, welcoming first impression. 3. Choose a clear glass shower enclosure. Frameless, clear glass lets the eye travel all the way to the back wall. Unlike frosted glass or shower curtains, it keeps the space visually connected, making the room feel calmer, lighter, and far more spacious. 4. Continue the same flooring throughout. Using the same large format tile on the main floor and inside the shower, without breaks or thresholds, creates a strong visual flow. Fewer lines and interruptions make the bathroom feel larger and more refined. 5. Place a large mirror opposite a window or entry. A well-positioned mirror reflects light, views, and depth back into the room. It's one of the simplest ways to double the feeling of space, almost like adding another window without any construction. 6. Create gentle zones with subtle elements. Instead of solid walls, use soft zoning, a small rug, layered lighting, or a low half wall. These subtle divisions bring order and intention, while keeping the space visually open and balanced. Thoughtful layout isn't about making a bathroom bigger. It's about making it feel effortless, open, and beautifully designed. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay creative, and may your home always be chic.